Disclaimer: this video is dedicated to all the female viewers who have always dreamt of owning large diamonds. A diamond is one of the best known and most sought after gemstones. They have been used as decorative items since ancient times. The hardness of a diamond and its high dispersion of light giving the diamond its characteristic fire, making it useful for industrial applications and desirable as jewelry. Diamonds are such a highly traded commodity that multiple organizations have been created for grading and certifying them based on the 4 C's, which are color, cut, clarity, and carat. Other characteristics such as presence or lack of fluorescence also affect the desirability and thus the value of a diamond used for jewelry. In this video today we are going to find out what were the well-known and the biggest diamonds ever found and recently found, and the story of the 2 biggest diamonds ever. But before we begin, this is a very small YouTube channel and I need your help in growing this channel. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. Diamonds, they are so beautiful. Women are fascinated and this fascination could never fade away. And this is one of the reasons why every woman, no matter what economic class she comes from, wants a diamond of her own. Now let's take a look at the recently found big diamonds. Around 24 August 2020, a miner in Africa found a 442 carat diamond, around the size of a golf ball. The huge gemstone is believed to be one of the largest diamonds mined this year. Mining company Gem Diamonds discovered the precious stone at its Letseng mine in the small town of Lesotho. The diamond is the largest the company has found since its 910 carat Lesotho legend, which was sold for 40 million in 2018. Specialists say that this particular gem could be worth as much as $18 million. Around October 2018, a 552 carat yellow diamond was mined in Canada. Dominion Diamond Mine in Diavik in Canada. This diamond is about the size of a chicken egg. We are not sure of the final cost, but it would be somewhere in millions of dollars. In the year 2014, a rare 122 carat blue diamond was found in South Africa. This was found near the Cullinan mines, which was home to the biggest diamond ever found, known as the Cullinan diamond. The stone fetched $35 million in sales. A local miner discovered a 125 carat diamond in Sierra Leone mini district of Kono. While diamonds are still smuggled out of the West African nations, the gem was the largest diamond exported through official channels since 2009. After passing through customs, the diamond was sold at an auction for $818,000. Diamonds are found in about a quarter of Sierra Leone in the southeast and the east of the country. With the diamond fields covering 7,700 square miles, the main production areas are concentrated around the drainage areas of rivers in the Kono, Kinima and Bo districts. Now moving up the ranks in terms of sizes, Botswana is well known for producing large diamonds. 4 years ago, another unbroken diamond of 1109 carats called the Lesedi La Rona was unearthed at Karowe mine. It was known to be the second largest in the world at that time. The gem was sold in 2017 to a London jeweler for $53 million. The Cullinan diamond was the largest gem quality rough diamond ever found, weighing around 3106.75 carats, discovered in a mine in Cullinan, South Africa on 26 January 1905. It was named after Thomas Cullinan, the mine's chairman. It was unsold for 2 years and then it was presented to Edward VII, the King of the United Kingdom, who had cut it by Joseph Ascher & Co. in Amsterdam. The Cullinan is estimated to have formed in the Earth's mantle transition zone at a depth of 410 to 660 km and reached the surface 1.18 billion years ago. Cullinan produced 9 stones of 105589 carats in total. The 9 major gemstones were named as Cullinan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now we could see a picture of Queen Mary wearing Cullinan's 1 and 2 as brooch on her chest 3 as a pendant of the coronation necklace and 4 in the base of her crown below the Kohinoor. How the diamond was carried from UK to Amsterdam and cutting was done was a big story in itself and probably a good topic for another video. Sergio is the largest carbonado and the largest rough diamond ever found. It weighed a gigantic 3167 carats and was found above the ground in Bahia, Brazil in 1895. Like other carbonados, it is believed to be of meteoritic origin. So diamond continues to be one of the most coveted and sought after metals, just like platinum and gold. On the topic of gold, do you know that there are certain rivers which actually produce gold? That is, you can find gold in them? That looks like another interesting topic for another video. So as I always request you, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. If you have anything to say, please feel free to write in the comment section. Thank you.